The MB Network with Dee's Sparta.
It's me, Dee, and welcome to the MB Network. Today, well, I'm doing one of our favorites, the Ipsyglamplus bag. And I forgot what I had chosen. So this should be unique, interesting, because I really don't remember what I picked, because I picked, you pick 3 items, and then the other 2 are chosen for you. So I am excited to find out what I've got here. Take some scissors, and I'm just gonna cut off the top of this bag. Dun, dun, dun. Ta-da! And let's reach in. What do I pull out? Let's see here. Is there a card? They never give me a card because they're like, oh, you could just look this up on our website. Yeah. No card. It's just the bag. This was I like the color of this bag. It doesn't say Ipsy on it. I kind of like that because I can totally use this. I know I can keep cards in here, and my kids might want to use it for school supplies. I mean, it's just I like these bags. I like this. All right, so I pulled up the website on my computer screen in front of me so I can kind of look up to see what I'm pulling out. Oh, now they always put up an insert and it's always like radiate positivity, but it never tells you. It's just like, oh, this is great tips on how to do skincare and makeup and for the season, and yeah, whatever. See how interested I am in that. Let me pull this out of here. So, item lip equip. I don't even see this. No, this is the bundle. I don't know what this is. I am confused. I don't even think it's one of my add-ons. So we'll just start with something that I know what it is. This is the Color Pop. I did choose this. I wanted to try it out. Comes with a gloss, a satin lip. It's kind of a little pale for me, but you know, I'll check it out. And a lippy pencil. This 3 together should be interesting. I'll try it. I'm curious. That's why I picked it. I wanted to try, because I don't really have much ColourPop's lip products. Really, I don't. I have eye products of theirs, but none of their lips. So I wanted to try this out. So this is cool. And this bundle is normally retails for $16. Really, the whole bundle? Yeah, it's ColourPop. Yeah, ColourPop always is pricing is usually very affordable, and quality is actually decent most of the time. So I'm really hoping that this is going to be a win. Let's see what else I can pull out of my bag here. 60 seconds to beautiful brows, the $1 billion brows. I know I wanted this, and so I purchased this as an add-on because I could get a discount price, and I wanted, because $1 billion brow, this brand, I have gotten other products of theirs and I liked. So I was like, well, let's try this out. Oh, it's got a nice brow powder and a little pencil. I might use my own brow brush though, but I wanted this. So that, to me, that's a cute add-on. I was, you know, intrigued. It normally retails for $24. I think I can't remember what I paid for it. If I do, I'll mention it. This, I think, is also part of my add-on. Oh, see, I didn't choose any of their eye palettes that Ipsy was offering this month as an option to me, because I just didn't need any of them and none of them appealed to me. But I saw Space Case Cosmetics had a custom eyeshadow palette as an add-on that the colors spoke to me. It's just a nice quad palette with these amazing like shimmers. They're all kind of shimmery, and I just thought these colors, I like shimmers, and I really thought these colors would be fun to mix and blend with other eye makeup looks. And retail value of this product normally is $32. So I was like, not gonna pay $32 for something like this, full price. So I was glad I was able to get this as an add-on and try it out and see if they're any good. And on to this other one. Let's see here. Now this, I did hope to get Star Skin face masks. I've gotten these before from this company. Really nice. They feel so good and soothing and refreshing on my face. It's been really nice just to pop these on, use these face masks, and they retail for $17.25. It's 2 masks. And let's see here. One is close-up firming, and I forget what the other one is. The glow. So I got a firming and a glow mask. So that's nice. That's, pretty cool. Let's see what else I got in here. Illamasqua Hydra Veil Radiating Gel. I'm having the worst time opening this box. I can do it. I did it. Oh, wow. This is what it looks like. The packaging is really cute. I like this packaging. I think that's kind of a nice, I could smell. Wow. This I also picked. This is a primer, and I wanted to try it. It comes with its own little scooper. I'm not going to take anything out, but you kind of get an idea. You just, wanted to try this. This normally retails for $45. $45. So this better be good. This is a hydrator and primer all in one. And I was like, my skin gets so dry, especially in the cold winter. The harsh, cold Idaho winters, my skin's like dries. So yeah, I wanted something to hydrate. It's important. I'm getting older now. The last thing in here is this weird thing, and whoa, I am missing the Ciate London mascara and the Context Skin Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. Instead, I got this weird thing. Item Lip Quip Come Through. I'm missing 2 of my products, and I got something that I don't. All right, Ipsy. We're having some issues here. Because this is I really wanted that Ciate London mascara. I really wanted to try their mascara. It was one of the ones I picked, and the Context Skin and All Day Eye Cream is what they chose for me, and I do like trying nice new all day eye creams. I am 48 years old, and you can see, concealer cannot remove all these little poor wrinkles, okay, folks? I'm just, okay. Oh, wait, no, here's the Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. It fell out of the bag. So I got that, but I didn't get the mascara. Instead, I got a lip product. Still a little shady. This bag, I'm not that impressed with. I didn't think, the products were ones that I was dying to try. It was more like, So for $25, I kind of feel like, I don't know if I really am happy. And this is the first, since this is normally the subscription that I really love. But I am not blown away. I am looking forward to trying the Hydrate Up Primer. But I don't know. Ipsy, this is not good. I mean, I don't know. I didn't think I had really amazing things to choose from in the first place. Secondly, you didn't give me what I chose. And I don't feel like, I mean, it's really all worth it. Oh yeah, and this eye cream is normally sells for retail price is $24.50. I have no idea what this lip product that I got in this weird packaging sells for. The mascara I wanted to try normally sells for $22. I can't imagine this being worth $22. If it is, I will, yeah. Wow. Oh well, I am. So, folks, I'm not going to be doing as many unboxings. I am kind of going over into my other channel more so, and there's going to be a lot more content. I will be unboxing like Goddess Provisions, Spiritual Goodies, Tamed Wild, and other boxes over on my other channel, which is the Mindful Oracle. I will be doing tarot readings. I have a new Patreon set up where you can also sign up and you get extra benefits every week and month, depending on tiers that you choose. I have 3 tiers set up. There's personal readings. You get discounts on readings. There is a weekly card posted, monthly reading, and it on the Patreon and on the web and on my and I have a website where you can also book me. And the channel itself, we will have, it's just going to be a lot about spirituality, and I will be talking about, because people are always asking me questions. What should I put in my altar? What should my altar have? And these things are really custom and personalized, but I can give basic hints and ideas, cleansing rituals, protection rituals, and self-love rituals. I will come, share these. Also, we'll be focusing on the phases of the moon, new moon and full moon. I might be having rituals of that also on on my Patreon. And, I will have a lot of fun pick a card readings that are hopefully insightful and helpful. Remember though, that all this stuff is for entertainment purposes only. And if it does resonate and edify and help you, then that is great. So I will also, please subscribe to my new channel. It is launching this week. And I will have links to the website, the Patreon, and the channel down below. So if you made it this far, wonderful. I'll see you next time here, either at the Mindful Oracle. I need more coffee. It's Monday. And I'll end here also on the NB Network. So remember, please be kind to yourself and be kind to others. And I'll see you next time.